Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at another beard oil from Fable Beard Co. So stay tuned to the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, aka the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, if this is your first time on my channel and you enjoy beard product reviews, hiking videos, gear reviews, you've come to the right place. Take the first step and click that subscribe button right here and click that little bell so you're notified when I drop new content. Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at another beard oil from Fable Beard Company. Fable Beard Co. and Colin, the wizard over there, is just blowing everything out of the water when it comes to creating new scents and new products. Just did a product release probably a week or two ago, and this one has been out for a little while, but this one is the hero. All right, so if you haven't heard of Fable Beard Co., I'll drop links in the description for all their information. Colin, he even has a YouTube channel and give some great tips and advice for beards, so definitely check them out. But we're going to be taking a look at the hero in the beard oil. Now that's all I have it in. I paid for this bottle myself and I've had it for a little while. It just keeps getting bumped down the list as to when it gets a review. But I used this for a week plus some. I used it for a week to test it, and then I've used it periodically since then before I was able to do this review. But it comes in an amber glass dropper top bottle. As you can see here, it's got the Fable logo, it's got the hero artwork. If you are new to Fable, every scent has its own art, has its own character, so it's really awesome. And then over here we have the ingredients. Ingredients are coconut oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, sweet almond oil, and fragrance oil. Now he uses fragrance, but I'm gonna tell you, every product that I've used from Fable is hands down amazing. So this is the cologne scent. Get a little shake. And that's a warm cologne scent. Now according to their website, this scent is cologne, tobacco, amber, and whiskey notes. And I'm gonna tell you straight out of bottle, I get little bits of every bit of that. It's a clear oil and kind of on the light to medium on consistency. Before I warm this up and get it in my hand, I'll tell you, this scent lasted every bit of 6 hours, maybe plus some. Felt really good in beard. My beard absorbed it really well and just soaked it up, and it did really good. Had not much hold to it. This is one of those that you probably, if you're a oil and balm kind of person, pick up the matching balm to go with this. But let's get a little bit in hand, see if that scent, a little change to it. All right, so we got a couple drops in hand, get a little heat added, and that's when that tobacco, amber. I'm not picking up any of the whiskey when I warm it up, but it's still just a warm cologne scent. It smells really, really good. It's probably top of my list in cologne scents. It's up there in the top, probably 3 cologne scents that I've used. And it's really good. Now, price. On Fable website, these are selling for $18 a bottle. But one thing about Fable, get over and follow them on Instagram. Sign up for their email list, because he's always sending out specials and buy one get one frees and all kind of deals. So definitely check out Fable Beard Co. and I highly recommend, if you like cologne scented products, or if you've never tried one and you're just kind of on the fence about it, check out Hero. Hero is a really good cologne scent, good, clean, warm. It's really good. I'm interested to try this in the fall when it starts cooling off, because right now you can probably see sweat on my hat and it is really hot out here, but it smells really good. To me, it's one of those warm, kind of a cool weather cologne scents that's going to smell really good in the fall. But check them out. I'll drop links in the description for Fable and all of their contact information, their Instagram, their YouTube, their Facebook. All of that stuff will be in the description below, and you can check them out. I can't even remember how many scents that they have right now, but the Hero is amazing. If it'll focus. So, all right guys, if you haven't already, go check out Fable Beard Co. Let them know that the Bearded Outdoorsman sent you. If you want to check out some more of my reviews of Fable, I will drop some videos up top that you can check out from Fable Beard Co. that I've done myself, and see what you think about those. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.